It's really cool to see that type of stuff converted into what I'm going to show here on the next slide, and a lot of stuff that goes out into the marketplace that a lot of common eyes may not notice or may not know that are there, but serve a great purpose in the marketplace. So can you guys talk about kind of the city savings in different projects that you see out in the marketplace that really, I guess, in a lack of a better term, help give back to the community in a way?
Obviously after Hurricane Katrina, they needed to rebuild the levees and new pump stations, and so a lot of these are huge castings that were used in the new pump station, so that they're keeping the water come out of the city of New Orleans. And it was, we just had Hurricane Ida, which wasn't, I think the duration wasn't as long, but the pump station definitely did its job. And that it's just a really cool example of the importance of castings to just everyday life. And
it's funny where you see castings. I mean, they're everywhere, and these are massive. These are big parts. How did they move that around? Because you've got a mold that's twice as big as those castings, and then you got to get the metal into that mold, and you have to do it in a homogeneous manner so you're not causing turbulence, and you still need good parts, right? But
yeah,
they're big parts. So it was very, very cool. That was a great.
Just the sheer amount of time that it takes for it to solidify. These molds are sitting there for days as the metal is getting, cool enough to remove from the mold.
It's a wild article. It was really good. This was a cool part. This is one of our customers in up in the East Coast, and what they do is they make equipment for rehabilitation for kids. So, first of all, everything's a candy color, right? This was a cool project, and it just entailed all the things we were just talking about. It has to function, it has to look good. It performs a great service to the society as far as when they're injured and they've got to go through the process of rehabilitation and therapy. So, I just thought the whole thing was just so clever the way they put it all together. It was a neat project to be involved with.